are 3 ways to add a company to your local business ranking master application. And I'll show you the way with the Google Chrome plugin. But first we have to install it. So in my menu, I go to Google Maps Lead, find a plugin. Okay, you can install the Chrome Web Worker plugin. So let's add the free plugin. There it is, the web page workplace. So I add it to Chrome. Yes, I want to install it. Okay, it's installed. Now, let's see if it works. Okay, Google Map Leads Finder. When I use it on this one, on this site, I can choose a project, but okay, let's go to Google Maps and let's find a golf course. Golf course. Okay, I'm in the Netherlands, so I pick one. Well, this one. Okay, yeah, that's nice. I want to add this 4.4. It could be higher. I go to my web worker plugin, and bam, that's it. Easy as peasy. Go to my ranking master. There it is, the Golf and Country Club. All the information is here. The address, the phone number, website, the Google Maps links. No, it's not. It's not claimed. Let me check if that's right. Oops, where was it? Yeah, it's not claimed. It's Dutch, but it says it's not claimed. So we have to call them. Photos, that's okay. Category, that's okay. Okay, so we've added the first company by plugin. We installed the plugin and we added it.